Creating marking recipe for laser marker. Method 1. By manual coordinate settings. For this demo, we will be using FlexLink's sample PCB, 150mm width and 200mm length. We will be creating 4 board ID barcode and 1 panel ID barcode, as indicated by the red boxes. On Windows 11 desktop, select FlexLink Mark Control software. Select User Profile and enter user password. Once initialization sequence completed, select Setup. Enter new model name, then save. Next, we select Edit Position to start adding marking positions for the model. Index 1 is reserved for flying stopper position. The stopper position can be offset in case of odd shape or cut off on the PCBs. For normal PCB, we will set it at the center of the PCB. Next, we select Add New to configure the next barcode position. Enter the value for X-axis followed by Y-axis. Then we proceed to add another index to add second barcode position. This process are repeated for barcode 3, 4, and 5. After all barcode position are entered, select Save All. Next, we add the image of the PCB for easy recognition. After selecting the image, save the model. Check the PCB image and the relative barcode positions. If everything is correct, select Save All. Go to Process Setting tabs to select Ghost Marking feature. Back on Main Control page, Machine now in Ghost Marking mode. Press Start to run PCB in Machine. In Ghost Marking mode, the PCB will be marked. A pilot laser beam will be pointing to the marking positions which have been configured earlier. This allows the user to double confirm before performing actual marking on the PCB. Once all marking position have been verified, switch the machine back to normal mode. Now the machine will be laser marking on the PCBs.